So our Amazon Basics Classic TV trays just came and I'm super excited. There's 4 trays and a storage rack, and let's set this up. This is quite heavy. It's about 33 pounds. Okay, so now let's open this up and set this up. So the trays are already set up, so we're gonna just put that to the side. I like that they put all this material so it doesn't get scratched up. So it's important to read all the directions so you know how to set it up. And it is in English, French, Italian, Spanish, and Dutch. It shows how much of each product it comes with. Let's see how long this is going to take to set up. So these are all the items set up, and now we're going to start building this out. We're going to put some dowels in here. As well as in here. So now you're going to take this long piece and attach this piece to the bottom. Okay, there's one. So the first steps were to put these dowels into this wood piece, as well as putting the dowels in this wood piece. So now we're going to attach this piece in the middle. So now that we have this piece, we're going to attach this piece into these corresponding holes. And they give you 12 screws and this Allen wrench. Okay, so now we're going to put this piece in. Okay, it's coming together nicely. So now we're going to be putting the handles on. Last 2 screws. TV trays are really awesome because you can have it to have for dinner, or you can put a laptop on, do some studying, or for children, they can do some coloring on it or play their crafts and games. And this really seems like good top quality. Looks pretty solid. Let me tighten it up a little bit. So wherever you feel there's some wiggle room, just make sure it's tightened up. So here it is. This is what it looks like. And now we're gonna set up the TV trays. So this is what the TV trays look like. And looks pretty good. Nice and solid. So I like that the folding trays fold up and it really saves storage space. And look how nice this is. This measures 19 inches by 15 inches by 26 all the way to the floor. And I think it looks great and it's going to definitely do its job. So thank you for watching and hope you found this helpful.